The ultimate status symbol, Rolls Royce, is a car that earned this title in the early 1900s, and a century later, it still turns heads and subtly announces that Sir or Madam has arrived. With a rich history, we couldn't hold off our temptation to entertain our readers with some incredible facts about this evergreen beauty because it truly deserves some limelight. Number 10. Rolls Royce was only selling chassis and motor and not the whole body until 1946. We see Rolls Royce as a homogeneous brand, but did you know that up until 1946, they only sold the chassis and motor with a recommendation to use Barker & Company Limited to build a customized body and coach? They weren't really selling cars with complete bodywork. As for Barker & Company, they were a big-shot coach-building company footed in London. One of their designs, the Silver Ghost, is now the most valuable car in the world, weighing in at $57 million. Number 9. Rolls-Royce center caps do not rotate. Call it one of the anomalies or idiosyncrasies, the Rolls-Royce center caps do not rotate. They're on bearings and always stay put so they can always be seen. I don't know about you, but I'd call it pure style. Number 8. The iconic Spirit of Ecstasy on the hood cannot be flicked. The front of the Rolls-Royce, starring the Spirit of Ecstasy, a hood unique to the Rolls-Royce, was prone to being flicked off its front in the early days. With the new variants, this booty hack is not quite a possibility, thanks to the safety feature that allows the mascot to retract swiftly into the body of the car when inflicted with force. In case you wondered about the etymology of the term, it symbolizes the forbidden love affair of John Walter, editor for the Car Illustrated magazine, and his secretary, Eleanor Velasco Thornton, sultry and saucy. Number 7. Only one man is entitled to paint the coach line of the Rolls-Royce. We're not alien to the fact that Rolls-Royce cars display a penchant for detailing in every nook and corner. You can faithfully announce it as the epitome of meticulousness and exclusivity when you know that the coach line is painted freehand by one man only, Mark Court. No robots or machines used, mind you. Number 6. There are more Rolls-Royces in Hong Kong than anywhere else in the world. Hong Kong has the most number of Rolls-Royce cars per capita in the world, is shaped by a factor of history. It was a British colony in the early decades, and most of the British officers as well as businessmen had Rolls-Royces of their own because it was considered the ultimate status symbol. Colonization definitely had their merits for Rolls-Royce, so to speak. Number 5. Rolls-Royce has a special training program for chauffeurs. A premium car calls for the premium driving experience. The folks at Rolls-Royce emphasize with the fact, and they've come up with apt training to hone the skills of the chauffeurs for the premium cars, the Rolls-Royce White Glove Experience. Some of the etiquettes taught in the program include never greeting a guest with sunglasses on and never propping up the sunglasses on the head or back of the neck when the guest is around. This and many more such etiquettes that chauffeurs tend to neglect. Keep the manners intact and be worthy of a handsome tip. Number 4. Rolls-Royce only uses bull skin for its upholstery. Connoisseurs of pristine upholstery would rave about the fact that Rolls-Royce only uses bull hides for upholstery since female cattle are prone to getting stretch marks during pregnancy. That's just a glimpse of the impeccable detailing. Also, it takes 8 bulls to upholster a single Rolls-Royce. That's quite a number. Moreover, the bulls whose skin they use for upholstery are raised in the region of Europe where the climate is too cold for mosquitoes to live, so you get blemish-free and cottony soft seats to lay on. Number 3. An outraged Indian king used Rolls-Royce cars as a garbage collector. The majestic vehicle has also suffered the fate of a garbage collector when Jai Singh, a Maharaja of a princely state in India, was faced by an uncourteous salesman at the Rolls-Royce showroom in London who suggested that he could not afford to purchase the car. He purchased 10, shipped them to India, and ordered them to be used for collecting and transporting garbage. Many would refute that he still made the company some big bucks, but back in the day, the presumption that honor was more important than money could have acted as a hit below the belt. Other royalty who treated the car like trash or for trash, you ask? it would be the Nizam of Hyderabad and Maharaja Bhupinder Singh, both with their own outrage at the insults from the British. Number 2. The grille was etched with the initials of the craftsman who made the car. Another fact to wonder about is that the Rolls Royce grille of the early cars was built completely by hand and lined up by eye by a craftsman who would inscribe his initial on it. This fact has less to do with consistency and more to do with damage handling. If the grille went bad, the initials would help them track the man down in England who made it and ship it for repairs. Number 1. 65% of all the Rolls Royce cars ever built are still on the road. What would you term as optimal utilization of resources? The most mind-boggling fact is that 65% of all Rolls Royce cars ever built are still on the road today, customized, bejeweled, or pimped up. Many fans seem to attribute this to a powerful engine, and the meticulous craftsmanship keeps the car going on and on. So, that's it for today. If you like this video, then please hit the like and subscribe button for more videos. Thanks for watching.